Hello, everybody. My name is Sofia Janet Pinos Baran, a student of Pedagogy in Languages at utpl University, and I have made this video for the subject language testing. Today, I'm going to speak about classroom-based language assessment. So, first of all, we need to know what is classroom-based language assessment. So, the classroom-based language assessment is when teachers recollect and use information about the students' language, talking about their performance and the things that they might know. And we collected also essential information to decide all the classroom's activities that as teachers we will do and we will perform in the teaching process. So there are 3 questions that I'm going to answer here in this video. And this is the first one. Why do we give an assessment in the language classroom? So basically, we use this to collect information about our students. So to know what is their level, to determine their strengths, their weaknesses, also to know what are their styles or what their needs are, or maybe their interests. The second reason is to know how much they have learned. This will help us as a teachers to know what or how our job has been done, because by assessments we will know if they actually have learned or not. And also we can use this to provide feedback. This can be done individually or in groups. The second question is, why do we use language assessment? So the first thing is to assign grades. Basically, we use this because it is part of the law that we must have grades to determine the students' knowledge, to determine what they know or what they don't know, or why they should have reports. The second reason is to make decisions, probably in our teaching process. We can use different material or we can improve our classes by doing different activities. And of course, to improve the teaching and learning process. We're going to use assessments to make sure students are learning properly, to make sure students are learning in the correct way, right? So we don't want them to get bored. We don't want them not to achieve their goals. We just want them to achieve and get the knowledge that they should have for the level they are. And the last question is, why do we link a student's assessment performance to the beneficial consequence that we want to help bring about? So, as I have mentioned before, I mentioned the word achieve goals. So this is really important. This is a benefit that the students are going to have because they are creating a link between knowledge and a student. So this is how they are going to achieve their goals. Maybe if they go to the university, if they want to become teachers, they would actually be able to do this. For linking students, this is used to make sure that students have an approach with the knowledge. What does this mean? That actually the students like this and they are connected to the topic, to the subject that they have learned. Yeah. And also this is going to help us as teachers, so aid teachers to improve. What does this mean? This means that we are going to focus on what we should change by talking about our teaching process, and also maybe it's going to help us not to make the same mistakes again, is going to help us to improve our activities by being more creative, by probably including different activities or some uh, other, let's say, ways of teaching. And well, the reference that I have used for this video is the book Language Assessment for Classrooms Teacher by Oxford University, and also the document A Contrastive Analysis of Classroom-Based Language Assessment that is in the didactic guide in the page 34. There is a link, and this is what I have used. Thank you so much for your attention, and hope to see you soon.